O te manacho lau tau o le nei o tapai ia lau whionga maunga ia mō sinau saunoanga. Whio mai.
Susu lau susunga le whaawhiangainga. A fio lau a fionga le au ma malu an malo ma lau masiofo. A fio sui o fono sui tō fia mo lātou whaletua. A fio lau a fionga le li i palmia ma malu an kapeneta. Ai maise le malu sui o palmene o Samoa. A fio lau a fionga fofonga fetalai. A fifio whaululunga o mātanga luenga whaapea man mamalu a inga wo mai māsani. O lea ua maea o na tātou whaafetaia le alofa le atua i le nei tai au fau. E iai fo e lo o tā ofi e pa ia ma mamalu o le nei aso. O lea ua ta oto o se ala o le a le o iaisa o whamtalanga. A wā o pa ia, e mai le vavau, e o le whavavau, o te talitonu, o le whale upolu, o lo lātou lea, whatu a inga e tausi. Laua fionga le ao, ma malo tuto o tasi. Ua whao Sofia le moe ngā luanga o langona i le neia i tu aso. Ona ua atoa li o masina i lota ua wala awina. O lea ua tu lai mai laua fionga e whaatau tō lo nei tangata whaatau waa i le nei tō finga. E pei ona awai mai foi laua fionga li tu waso na whaulu fale ai lo vai i le ngaluenga whaaloia. O se i tu waso e langona le fia. Ona e lea ua tātou e whailo ai foi e i o ngafa i le alofa ma le anga leo le atua e ala i le tautua ia Samoa. I stand today before everyone here with humility, gratitude, and a profound sense of responsibility. To be entrusted with the Office of Attorney General Samoa is not merely an appointment to a position. It is a solemn calling to serve the people of our nation with integrity and courage. I wish to express my sincere appreciation to the Honorable Prime Minister and Cabinet for the faith placed in me to assume this role. That trust I do not take lightly. It is the trust that I carry with respect and a clear understanding of the weight of responsibility that you have now entrusted upon my shoulders. The Office of Attorney General holds a unique place in our system of governance. It must be steadfast, fearless, and dependable. Today, I commit to leading with clarity, to listening with respect, and to making decisions guided not by convenience or popular opinion, but by courage and in the interest of this country. I acknowledge the judiciary, whose role is fundamental to our justice system. The Prime Minister and the Honorable Cabinet, whose leadership shapes this nation and for the next 5 years will continue to shape our country. And the public servants who work tirelessly, often behind the scenes, to ensure that the government serve our people well. To my colleagues in the Office of Attorney General, I commit to supporting and strengthening our office so that we may continue to meet the demands placed upon us and we may live up to the confidence that is expected of us. To my parents and family, I know that this decision has been hard for you. I know that you fear me taking this role. Forgive me for my stubbornness. But someone told me I had to finish what I started. So thank you for still standing by me through this stubbornness. I have taken this oath today, and I do so with the clear purpose to serve Samoa with integrity and to honor the trust that everyone here has placed in me. It is a humbling experience to be standing here with so many of you having this much faith in me. I promise you that in the next 3 years, I will try to live up to that faith. To the people who have shaped my career, the Honorable K.C. John Pike, remembered with deep gratitude and respect, previous Solicitor General of New Zealand. Kieran and Aaron, KCs, who have been friends and guide and mentors throughout my career. Ming and Brenda, who one was my Attorney General, my first Attorney General to serve Samoa. The second was the last Attorney General for me to serve for Samoa. Each of you has left an enduring mark on my journey, and I carry your lessons with me always. I only hope that I can be half the Attorney General you both were. Soifua, mamaia manuia.